Hello friends, this is my English learning channel and beside this I am running two or three more other channels, one in regional language and other in Urdu language. That is our national language. And you know that in Urdu language I am making vlogs, I am uploading the documentaries. And for making documentaries, you know that we will have to travel, we will have to visit on different places and on different spots, and we will have to talk with other people, and we will have to show the beauty of nature. So for making a vlog or documentaries, I think that it requires a lot of hard work and time. And just now I am making this video for my English language channel, and this is sometimes I feel easy because I sit in a studio or outdoor location, and I make a video for you just sitting at a single place. But sometimes it is too much difficult because you lack the ideas. When you don't have any kind of idea, then you are not able to discuss about, because on daily basis consistently we have to upload videos on this channel, and in each video you will have to talk on different topic. And when you don't have the topics, then even by sitting at your home or by sitting at a single place, you will feel lot of problems because you lack the idea, and sometimes you spend lot of time while thinking the idea that on what topic you should make a video today. So it is too much difficult sometimes, because you can see if you watch the row of my videos on this channel, consistently one video is coming on daily basis on this channel since long, since I think that 9 or 10 months till this video regularly. So sometimes we will have to search ideas, and sometimes we will have to make 2, 3 or 4 videos at a single day, because we will have to upload them, and on other days we will have to think about new ideas, new concept that ahead next what will we make. And in this way we are managing our time, and we will also visit outdoor. We will have to go outdoor to make vlogs for other channel, that is in regional language, in national language. So it is, I think that sometimes too much difficult. Some people, when they see or watch, they think that it is a easy job to make videos. I think that it is tough job. You feel easy because you are just watching, and when you feel the responsibilities, you run your own channel, and there are a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, then you will feel that it is too much difficult. You will have to look the quality and each and everything, editing, good voice quality, good picture quality, then good impression will be on viewers. Otherwise, if your audio is missing, if your video quality is not good, then this impact on views will be not good. So you will have to see each and everything about making the videos. So it is not an easy job. Easy in the sense when you are interested, devoted. If you have interest, then you will feel relaxed, you will feel easy. In this way, if you are willing to make some kind of videos, then I think that first you will have to develop interest inside you. I'm talking on this topic because on every day we will have to change the topic. When we will change the topic, the new words come out of our mouth, the new vocabulary you add in your memory. In this way, when we discuss on different topics, so different sentences come, and you know more about English learning. And when you will listen or watch the videos consistently, then whatever spoken in those videos, the words, the sentences, one will be part of your speech. And in this way I think that one day you will speak very good English language. So please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.